Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by assembling sources: job ads, your existing CV, LinkedIn, and 3 clear metrics that prove impact. Once done, pick an AI tool and decide the tone: professional for corporate, concise for ATS. Make sure to craft a focused prompt including role, achievements, skills, and target keywords so the model has direction. You should instruct format constraints like section order and character limits. This avoids rewrites. Now run a first-generation draft and save the output for iteration. Once you have a draft, act as editor. Trim fluff and convert duties into accomplishments using metrics and action verbs. Make sure to replace vague phrases with specific outcomes and figures to increase credibility. Then optimize for ATS by inserting exact keywords from the job description and keeping headings simple. Also tailor structure. Reorder sections to highlight relevant projects or skills first. You should iterate prompts with examples of preferred phrasing to get a tighter second draft that aligns. You finalize by proofreading dates, tense, and consistency, and by checking that contact details are current. Next, export both PDF and plain text versions. Test how the plain text aligns with ATS parsing and how the PDF renders on mobile. Make sure margins and fonts are professional. If the CV reads poorly or misses keywords, troubleshoot. Lower model creativity, add explicit examples, or include a sample bullet you like. Finally, save templates for different roles so future edits are fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.